You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's hear how these words said as bourgeois in English. How do you pronounce it? How do you say it in French? In France, we say it as bourgeois, bourg, bourg. Joie, joie, okay, O-I together in French form the sound wa, just like W-A, the S is silent. You have a G-E just to indicate, before the O, just to indicate that the G is soft, not gua, g, but je sound, bourgeois. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.